Hello and welcome back to my YouTube series tutorial, and today we are going to continue creating this beautiful UI mobile plan apps by Saydul Moon. And today we are going to create the details screen. So how to do that? Let's get started. Open up your details.js, and then we are going to create a save area view here. And then another view down here, and I'm gonna add an icon, and the name will be feather because I'm gonna use feather icon. It's from React Native vector icon / feather. Okay, and the feather name will be arrow left, and the size will be 24. And down here we add another feather icon, and the name will be shopping cart. Okay, and then I'm gonna styling the view, so I'm gonna make styles is style sheet create, and I'm gonna apply the style in here, and the style will be styles dot container, and down here add another style header, and down here will be icon green, and it's also icon green. Then copy all of this and paste it here, and container, I'm gonna change the background color. It's same like on home screen. The background color will be this, and the flex is 1. And on header, I'm gonna change the flag direction to row, line justify content be space between, and the align items should be center. And I'm gonna add margin vertical. The margin will be 20, and also I'm gonna add some padding horizontal. It will be 20 also. And icon green, I'm gonna change the color, and the color will be this green. Okay, and save it. Okay, nice. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some slider. I've already created on this component slider, so you just kinda put the slider here and import it. Import slider from component slider. Save it. Nice. Okay, and then down here I'm gonna add some view and another view and some text. The text will be aloe vera, and another text will be indoor. Down here we create another view again, and down here we're adding some text, and the text will be dollar and text again and the price. I'm gonna you can write another one, and then down here I'm gonna add another view and another view and an icon, and the name is plus, and the size will be 20. And copy, and the name will be minus, and in the middle can add view again and some text, and the text is 2. Okay, save it, and then we're going to styling the component. The style will be styles, details, and then here details, wrapper, and the text. Title, subtitle, and here will be by wrapper, and down here will be price wrapper. Okay, and down here will be price subtitle, and here will be price title. Okay, I'm gonna copy all of this and paste it, and the details will have padding horizontal 20, and the details wrapper can add some margin top to 20 and margin bottom also, or maybe we can add margin vertical 20. And on title I'm gonna add some font size will be 24, and change the font weight to be bold, and the color will be this. Okay, now I'm gonna add margin bottom 20, 10, and on subtitle I'm gonna change the font weight to bold, and font size will be 10, and the color will be this gray. Okay, and on here I'm gonna change the flag direction to row, and justify content is password. Okay, and here also I'm gonna change the flag direction to row, and the align items will be flags n. And here gonna change the color to be just green, and also here will be green, but I'm gonna change of font size. This will be 18, and font weight will be bold. Also has some style, but the font size will be 24. So, okay, nice. Maybe the margin is a little bit too much, so I'm gonna change it. No. Oh, I know, because it has the flag direction flags, and so it's gonna be in the end. Okay, don't worry about that because has not styling done yet. I'm gonna continue to styling, and down here I'm gonna add another style, and the style will be quantity wrapper, and down here the style will be styles quantity button, and down here gonna be quantity icon, and also here has the same style. And down here I'm gonna change the text style will be quantity text. Okay, and then copy all of this. And on quantity wrapper, I'm gonna change the flag direction to row, and the align items will be the center. On quantity button, I'm gonna change the width to 30, and the height also 30, and border radius also 30. And I'm gonna change the background color to white, and align items and center, and justify content also center. And on quantity icon, I'm gonna change the color will be this green, and on quantity text, I'm gonna add margin horizontal to 15, and font size will be 18, and the font weight be bold. Nice. Maybe 500. Okay. And then gonna create this flat list, horizontal flat list. Then we adding another view here, and then flat list. Okay. And the data will be treatments, and the treatments is from the asset from data that I've already created here. So just import it, treatment from data treatments. Okay, the key extractor will be data ID, and will be horizontal, and I'm gonna hide the horizontal scroll indicator, and the render item will be treatment. I'm gonna create a treatment components. Okay, and then I'm gonna create a treatment component here, and it will be passing some props, and the props is item, then return some view, and then down here another view, and then the icon. The icon is from here, so I'm gonna place it and into a component. It will be item dot icon, and down here another view and text. The text will be item title, another text will be item description. Okay, save it. You can see that's a little bit some icon here, and then we're going to create a style. So the style will be styles treatment, and down here style styles icon treatment, and here I'm gonna change the width, will be 18, and the height also 18, and then down here gonna change the style to treatment title. Here will be treatment set title. Then copy all of this, and on treatment I'm gonna change the flag direction to row, and then justify content will be center, and align items also center. I'm gonna add some margin vertical 30, and padding will be 10, and padding right will be 50, and then gonna add margin right will be 20, and gonna add some border radius. It will be 30, and the background color will be like this. Okay, and I'm gonna add some shadow, so shadow color will be black, and shadow offset. That you can see the shadow is a little bit more darker on a up, so the height will be -1 and the width be 0, and shadow radius will be 10, and shadow opacity will be 0.04. Okay, can you see that? You see there's beautiful shadow. Okay, and on icon treatment, I'm gonna change the width to 30. But I already add some width height here. Oh no, I'm gonna add some wrapper. So the wrapper will be width 30 and height 30, and also the border radius will be 30, and the align items will be center, and the justify content also center. I'm gonna add some margin right, will be 20. Okay, nice. And then in here we're going to create a background color, and the background color is already created in this object, so I'm gonna style it separately here like this, and background color will be item background color. No background color, only color. Okay, nice. And then we continue styling here. Treatment title will be font weight bold, and the font size will be 30, and the color will be this. And on treatment subtitle, gonna change the font weight also bold, and the color will be this. Save it. Nice. And then next we're going to create the last one, about some text and button, the button. So down here we're adding another view, and a text, and the text will be about, and down here put another text, and the text is, I'm gonna search random lorem ipsum text, and I think enough for paste it. And then down here gonna add another view and a touchable opacity and the text by now. Possible opacities from React Native. Save it. Okay, and I'm gonna add some style here. Style will be styles about wrapper, and the text style will be styles about title, and down here be styles about subtitle, and here gonna add styles about button wrapper, and here will be styles about button, and here gonna add style about text button. Copy all of this and we're going to create a style here, and about wrapper I'm gonna add some padding horizontal 20, and that's it. On title I'm gonna change the font size will be 16, and the font weight will be bold, and gonna add some margin button, be 10, and the color will be this one. And on about subtitle I'm gonna change the font size to 15, and then the font weight will be bold, and the color will be this one. And on the boat wrapper I'm gonna change the align items to center, and the margin vertical will be 30, and on the about button I'm gonna change the background color to this green, and then I'm gonna add padding 15, and align items will be center, and the width be 50%, and border radius 20, and I'm gonna add a shadow, and the shadow color will be also green, so I'm gonna add the color of the shadow is green, and the shadow offset it will has width 0 and the height is 5, and the shadow radius will be 10, and the shadow opacity will be 0.5. Save it. Okay, nice. Title 500. Okay, nice. And about text button I'm gonna change the color to white, and text transform will be uppercase, and the size will be 16, I guess. And the font weight is bold. Wait a minute. Size is not, font size, I'm sorry. It's too much. 12. Okay. It's not bold. 500. It's 14. Okay. Okay, I think, oh, wait a minute. I still haven't some margin here. So I'm gonna put a margin, but only on a first item. How to do that? I'm gonna add style separately in the margin left. If the item ID is equal to 1 and 20, else 0. Oh, item ID is string, not number. Okay, nice. Well, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and share if this is useful, and hit the like button, comment on the comment section below, and see you in the next video tutorial.